You can never satisfy everyone, however hard you try. Stop trying to listen to everyone. You will do well to ignore public opinion in some ways. Public opinion is, transient and constantly changing and has no value. There are 7 billion people with 7 billion opinions. Leave them alone and mind your own business. That way you will have peace of mind. You must have heard the story. A man and his son were going with their donkey to market. As they were walking along, by its side, a countryman passed them and said, "You fools, what is a donkey for but to ride upon?" So the man put the boy on the donkey and they went their way. But soon they passed a group of men, one of whom said, "See that lazy youngster, he lets his father walk while he rides." So the man ordered his boy to get off and got on himself. But they hadn't gone far when they passed two women, and the one commented, "Shame on that lazy fellow to let his poor little son trudge along and, he's riding." So that's a problem. So the man didn't know what to do. But at last, he took his boy up before him on the donkey. By the time they had come to the town, some passers-by said, "Aren't you ashamed for overloading that poor donkey, you and your hulking son?" Because both were riding the donkey. People had problem while he was riding alone or his son was riding, so both of them sat on the donkey. So that was again a problem. The man and boy then got off and tried to think what to do. They thought and they thought. At last, they cut down a pole, tied the donkey's feet to it, and raised the pole and donkey to their shoulders. They went along amid the laughter of all who met them. An old man was following them, and he said, "Please all, and you will please none." I repeat, please all, and you will please none. Even great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Kennedy, who dedicated their life for their country's emancipation, could not satisfy the fellow countrymen and were killed. It is impossible to satisfy even our own family members. Even if you offer your head on a platter to them, they will still be complaining, your own family members. Therefore, don't bother too much with public opinion. There may be so many more important things to worry about than how you are perceived by others who don't matter in your life. Modern society has generally lost the plot, I would say that. Slavishly following its false gods and idols, it makes no sense. Where all think alike, no one thinks very much, there is a saying. It requires wisdom to understand wisdom. The music is nothing if the audience is deaf.